What's up, kids? That's right. We're doing something just a little bit different today. We're going to test out something pretty fantastic that we've never checked out before. So stick around. Yeah, never checked out. Do we know what we're going to do with it? Stick around. I don't know. We're actually going to check out a 3.7 volt stainless steel electric engraving pen from Hardell. Yeah, I mean, yeah. It's pretty darn cool. Let's check it out. All right, so honestly, it's an engraving pen. I put the battery in it already, but it's super easy to do. It's just right here. That's it, man. This is that. It comes with a battery charger, because the battery's rechargeable. It comes with engraving tips, some stencils. We're gonna check these out. We're gonna do something with it. I'm excited. And of course, the instruction manual. And it came in this really nice, handy little box that you can actually just keep everything in. Yeah, you just literally twist this open. It's all in the directions, right? And then it talks about, what comes with it. Yeah, it's the model DYX7712. Up there. It spins at 37,000 RPM. Oh, my glasses. It has a 3.7 volt, 1200 milliamp hour battery, lithium ion, and it has 6-piece accessory kit. It talks about how to replace the collet. It talks about stuff you can use with it: crystals, glass, wood, aluminum, stone. Come on. And then, of course, safety. Keep it away from kids. Don't get it wet. Like the gremlins, don't get it wet. Don't feed it after midnight. Oh, I'm kidding. Don't place it on a hot surface or near a hot surface or open to fire, because let's say lithium. Once it starts, you're not putting it out. Keep cutting tools sharp. Only use accessories for the manufacturer. Uses power tool according to the instructions. You're definitely going to work safely. You work safely. Keep area clean and well lit. So yeah, we're good, right? Not in explosive atmospheres. Flammable liquids, gases, dust. It can make sparks. We don't. Make sure you take precaution for electrical and personal safety. You're going to want to definitely have safety glasses on. Let's do some cool stuff. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some wood and some aluminum, because I have both of those things, just not right here, right now. I've got an aluminum sheet out there and some wood out there. So I'm going to go to the junkyard real quick, grab that, be right back. Hey, yeah. All right, now, yep, did that. Place collet, okay, yep. Material of the brass chuck is easy to oxidize and change color. So make sure you take care of that. It does have a lot of other instructions. Make sure if the battery does decide to stop working, it needs to be taken care of properly, not just, it's lithium, okay? Recycle that stuff. It's bad for you, it's bad for the environment if you just throw it. But I'm excited, let's go in there. We got the bit in there. I'm gonna take our Allen wrench. Hex key, whatever you want to call it. There are some other set screws in there, so do not lose those. They're pretty little. That's all it took. Now, what we want to do, we've got letters and numbers. Okay. We've got some shapes. Carousel, arrows. What else we got? Holiday stuff. And animals. That's a giraffe, if you didn't know. That's a giraffe, that's a dinosaur. Giraffes are bigger than dinosaurs. I don't know what this is, but this is also a dinosaur. They're the same size as a flamingo. Anyway, I'm just picking on the stencils. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to write a little message with some words, some letters here. We're gonna do it on aluminum first. I'm just gonna get something to mark the stencil. Be right back. This might be overkill, but look, I love this safety tier, so I'm gonna also put a glove on. When I'm, okay, let's drop this down. You see? Yep, okay. All right, now, I was gonna write Clyde. I just want to show you. It went right in there just fine, didn't it? I'm gonna try something else on the wood, and I'm betting that'll show up better. Now, I'm definitely not an artist or a mechanic. I mean, there's that. So, we're gonna try something just a little bit different here. With this, we're just gonna go, yeah, one. Yeah, okay. All right. Now this definitely wasn't very loud, so. It does. I just had an idea. We're gonna be doing something. It carved into the wood pretty good. I mean, it really did. I'm, of course, impatient, but it really did a good job. Now, I don't recommend this. I'm just gonna give it a strength test on a wrench, 9/16 wrench, actually. So, let's see what we can do. HPSS. Definitely can mark your tools with that. That's awesome. Okay, now look. We all know I'm not an artist, but I'll tell you what, I am really impressed with this little guy right here. I mean, look, you saw it. It cut into the 2x4, which I'll tell you what, has been outside a long time, and it is very hard. It also cut into the aluminum without much of a problem at all. And it cut into this 9/16 wrench that is, made in the USA, and it's forged in the USA from Craftsman. I'll tell you what, after we're done talking here, of course, there's going to be all sorts of information that's going to be up on the screen and all that good stuff. But you need to go pick one of these up if you are at all interested in doing something fun like that. I'll tell you what, I'm not super artistic, but I think I'm gonna give this thing a go. I mean, maybe I'll do something there. Maybe I'll do something on the dash. I don't know. Go get you one. There's gonna be a link in the description, all that cool stuff. It is the 3.7 volt stainless steel electric engraving pen from Hardell. Model number DYX7712. This fun little piece of equipment right here is definitely Honest Peyton Speech Up approved. So, we'll get you one right now. Keep on wrenching, kids.